Matt, you gotta be a little more observant.
My family's been in town for the last month, so I haven't been able to upload. But I'm back, and I've got something different. I captured some uncut moments while fixing one of the GPU nodes in my home lab. My good friend John sent me his old components from his rig to help resolve the issues. Now, here's where things get interesting. I hit a snag with a heatsink removal due to the small form factor of the PC. So John and I decided to host a real-time remote session build. We jumped on a video call and he guided me step by step through the whole ordeal, whilst verbally abusing me. I had to repitch the audio since he didn't want anyone finding out his real identity.
Like, put the screw. Is that a Phillips head? It's a flathead.
Flathead. Wait. Oh, Phillips is the square cross-sectional thing. This one.
Yeah. I don't know if that's looks long enough, maybe.
I can get a larger one.
So, like, you need to, like, put it through the hole, and, like, don't force anything. You just need to move the fan blade enough that you can, like, you should be able to see the
Oh,
screw
yes.
for the AMD mounting.
I see
the
it.
AMD mounting plate.
I see it. I'll just undo it. Is there one or two?
There's two. It's one on either side.
Okay. How far do I need to turn it? I'll just keep turning it until I undo it completely.
Yeah. You just need to move the fan blade out of the way. Be careful when you lift the heatsink off as well. It's so attached with a wire to the motherboard.
Fuck, I'm doing enough. Oh I think I bent the blades. Bent the grill, the radiator.
Dude, how did you do that?
I think the screwdriver got in the way.
Dude, just be gentle.
Is it the left side? I guess it's the left side. There we go. And there's a wire? Okay.
Be careful. Yeah, be careful, yeah. You don't need to detach it.
Okay.
Just leave it.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a CPU.
Sick.
Then you should be able to replace the RAM as well. Just replace both of them.
To show my audience the new RAM.
Don't use a screwdriver, Matt.
Can't get it out. Oh, there we go.
Matt Christina.
Yeah, I spoke to her for like 5 seconds and then I went back to my car.
I really hope it was just bad RAM. I'd be so mad if it's the GPU that's broken. What the fuck? Those things are so fucking expensive.
How much did you buy the machine for? Originally?
This machine?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all like parts that I've used over the years. So.
Actually, I shouldn't
That
do this.
GPU was like 2K.
Where's the CPU? I'm assuming it's attached to the CPU.
No, it's on the side of the box that you just threw away.
What? Oh, okay, oh yeah. Nice.
Bruh.
Alright.
Don't bend the pins, man.
Where's the red dot? It's the
It's a gold dot.
dot.
Gold dot to gold dot.
I don't
Like
see.
a little
I
triangle.
don't see it on here.
It's like a little triangle.
Yeah, I see the triangle here.
No. Flip it around.
Yeah, I see.
Triangle. No. The other way. Yeah. There's a triangle. And then line it up with the triangle on the board. Matt, you gotta be a little more observant.
Okay,
Haven't you done this?
a triangle. Yeah.
There is a dot. Matt, look on the motherboard. Like, like, do you see how it's not like a perfect square of pins?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just look at the. Yeah, I can see it now. So it's got to be. Actually, no. The pins look.
Dude, there's literally like on the upper right of the photo that you sent me, there's like a pin. It's like a square instead of a triangle. Yeah. Anyway.
Oh, okay. Let me just confirm. Went in.
Let me.
There's a stripe. There's a stripe here. That's all there is. One of them's got a stripe. Actually, wait. I'm not even pointing the camera that way.
Times?
What did you say?
Haven't you done this a million times, dude?
Yeah, there's actually a triangle on it though.
So that's the. I'm circling the thing. See how that's like a square? That's the place that it. That the
Yeah, okay. That's where I put it, and I went in. Alright, sick. Now I just gotta wait for the thermal paste. Oh, great. I gotta line up the screws, don't I? Where are the screws? Oh, it's a. Okay, it's not. It's okay, I see.
Yeah, you gotta. Yeah, and then. I think you gotta kind of simultaneously screw it in. It's a bit tricky to get right.
I see it. I just lined it up at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I.
Like alternate between the two screws as well.
So it's not angled, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my next PC is gonna be a full tower. I just can't be f***ed with a small form factor anymore.
But this is so easy.
This is like more annoying than my case, but you actually got a full-size GPU. And it operates a lot louder than an actual full-size, and the cooling is not as good.
Only the GPU, because it's a special type of GPU. I think if we ever buy any more GPUs, we just buy regular.
Full tower. Yeah, I've got some space. What about like the server? The mining rigs?
The mining, yeah, so the mining rigs use full-size GPUs, not the server GPUs. So you could buy, basically they're like a bit janky. But yeah, that's probably the way to go if we have to buy more GPUs, just like, so essentially do a mining rig.
The cloud providers are still out. I got an email the other day. They still haven't got quota, like almost like a year later.
Yeah, like, alright.
You gonna watch the rest of the build?
Yeah. Make sure that you secure the
The
GPU bracket.
PCI. Yeah.
Yeah. That's kind of what takes the load. Yeah, that's easy.
I've got plugged. Oh shit! Should have plugged it in first.
Just take it out and plug it in. Yeah.
That's
Be
yeah.
alive.
So 50 will be live, but it's exponential from that point.
Wait, Matt, make sure that everything's in.
Yeah, I'd be pretty mad if I opened this case up again. I stripped one of the screws as well. After extractor, I got a screw extractor.
Matt!
Yeah, cause
Where are the talks?
I used the screwdriver. The drill, an actual drill bit. You can see up
Why
here.
girl, Matt? Oh,
I was getting really mad at having to like.
it's just talks. Did you use talks bits?
Yeah, I have Torx bits. As in, let me show you. But yeah, let me get this in and let me show you. It's a pretty interesting failure mode. Like The head just sheared off the bolt. Like, there's way too much torque on that.
Matt, what the fuck? Matt.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Ugh.
In this case, back up.
I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm hosting the hardware, Matt. Don't break anything, please. So new, everything was like probably like 3K or up.
3K.
2,000 of that is the GPU.
What about today?
Probably like 1,500, 2,000.
1500.
1,500 maybe. Yeah, dude, put that thing on. Put all the GPU holding stuff on. It's next to the GPU.
There's one right here.
He's down there. Yeah, you put a screw through there,
And where's the other one?
and then the other one's at the top. But you need to get there's like a little metal thing that holds it in place. The
Which
black-
which I have here.
No, it's like a big one for the top one.
Oh, there's a big one on the top? What?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see it, yeah.
It's very stressful for me, Matt. It's very stressful for me.
I'm not stressed, I'm relaxed.
Yeah, that's how you like strip the screw, bro. Don't use a drill. You don't need a drill, Matt. Just use a screwdriver.
I don't have a hand piece.
Can you up the torque down?
I'll just go slow now, because I was doing really fast. I was really impatient before.
Oh my god, Matt. Matt, don't strip anything.
Alright, that one's done. Now I need to do this crossbar. Actually,
Right side up.
right side up.
Yeah. Yeah. Goes on the inside. Essentially just holds. No, other way. It holds the bracket down.
There we go. Now I just close it up.
Gives me a lot of anxiety, Matt. You need to remove a lot of the security protections.
Oh, security protections?
You know how I need to generate, like, the...
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I could generate, like, a...
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. You can see where the addy...
Bro, that's how you strip the screw.
I was going slow.
Yeah, but you, like, kept going.
No, it's slightly loose actually.
Okay.
Okay, this one's the stripped one.
Kind of.
Needs to be a bit tighter.
You should really try and turn it on before you close it up. Okay.
Yeah.
Still gives me anxiety, though.
Yeah. Last one.
That was quick.
Yeah, if I was doing it by hand, then I'll be here for another 40 minutes. Okay, I think I got a kickback from the last one, so I think that was a bit too much.